We're going to go ahead and put all that we've learned together with two examples. So for this example, given the relation, show it using different representations. So as you can see here, we have ordered pairs. We have 4 points that have an x and a y coordinate. If we look, I highlighted in blue all the x's. So I'm going to put that in our mapping diagram. -1, 0, 1, and 2. In purple, we see all of our y values, or our outputs. 2, 3, 1, and 0. Our mapping diagram takes -1 to 2, 0 to 3, 1 to 1, and 2 to 0. The left side is the inputs, or the x values, so I can write them in our table. The right side is our y values, or our outputs. I can write those in the table. Now, all of these are represented different ways, but they mean the exact same 4 points. So you can look at any of those representations. We have ordered pairs here, mapping diagrams here, and tables here. So we want to make a graph. So we have -1, 2. We go left 1, up 2 to get our point. Then we go 0, 3. 1, 1. Over to the right 1, up 1. 2, 0. Over right 2, and we don't move anywhere. If I were to draw vertical lines here, it would pass the vertical line test. Therefore, is it a function? Why or why not? We say, yes, it is a function. Every input has one output, and it passes the vertical line test. For our second example, we're actually given the table to start out with. So if we look at just the x values and the y values, these are points, 1, 0, 2, 2, 2, 4, 1, 6. If we want to make our ordered pairs, we can write them like this. 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 6, 1, 6. All of the ones in blue are our x values, or our inputs, so I can put them in our mapping diagram. Notice I don't repeat. I have 1, 2, 2, and 1. So in my mapping diagram, I put 1 and 2 because I'm not repeating. Then in our outputs, or our y values, I have 0, 2, 4, and 6, so I put them in our outputs. 1 goes to both 0 and 6, and 2 goes to both 2 and 4. This is what our mapping diagram looks like. If you notice, there's 2 arrows stemming from each input. If we graph the points, we have 1, 0, 2, 2, 2, 4, and 1, 6. If you notice, we have a vertical line problem, and I could also do a vertical line on the other one. This fails the vertical line test already. We hit twice, 2 points. We hit more than 1 point. So is this a function? No. 1 and 2 have more than one output, and it fails the vertical line test. Hope this helps, and feel free to watch this video and pause and play it to make sure you understand this, putting it all together.